Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Treatment. Breathe in and hold the breath for about 10 seconds, then breathe out slowly. Repeat 3 or 4 times. Breathe into a paper bag. It is important to not cover the head with the bag. Bring the knees to the chest and hug them for 2 minutes. Gently compress the chest. This can be achieved by leaning forward.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of your diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen and plays an important role in breathing. This involuntary contraction causes your vocal cords to close very briefly, which produces the characteristic sound of a hiccup. 24 May 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
057 Peanut butter is digested slowly by the body, and the slow process of digestion changes your breathing and swallowing pattern. This causes the vagus nerve to react differently to adapt to the new patterns, eliminating hiccups. 8 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hiccup cure, distraction or disruptive techniques. Letting a spoonful of sugar dissolve on your tongue, tickling the roof of your mouth with a Q-tip, or sticking your fingers in your ears all stimulate branches of the vagus nerve, and the overload on other vagus nerve endings may put a stop to hiccups.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.